We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, Ethnic Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay guys, we are marking up EUR, GBP. Look at what's going on in the market. We are in the monthly time frame. We are going to head over to price action. Price action, higher highs, price action, lower lows, midpoint. So let's read the market, see what's going on in that area at that high. So market's hanging around, price action hanging around second level highs, and is at the area of that second level high. So it's probably just broke it. So it could be looking for a break and retest, may drop down further to the midpoint line. If not, then it'll be probably going up and consolidating continuously. And what we received at the top was multiple pushes to that top. So not counting this one because it's more on the second level than the highest high. So drawing it from here, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, we drop. So in total, that last one's connected to 1, but this is 1 push, 2, you count this as, this is a whole 2, 3, 4. About 4 pushes to the top. If you want to add this one, 5 pushes to the top. And then market push down. But the way this looked to me with this structure, this is retest. These are the primary touches to the top. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pushes to the top, at a double retest, and then the market decline. Came to second level highs, broke second level highs. So now we're gonna be looking forward to see if we receive some type of retest in the market. So headed down to the weekly. So what we're gonna do is gonna go back to the monthly. We're gonna add the second level because price action is sitting right on second level. Price action actually sitting right on second level highs. And when we go down the time frame, we don't see nothing below that. So we want to see that break. So market, this is what market price broke, headed down to the weekly. Now we can clearly see the break. Let's bring this in a little bit. So you can see prices trying to break this area over here. So when we go near price, we can clearly identify multiple pushes to that top of that area that push price down, and what we receive. Not counting this one, this is more like a second level, another level up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pushes to the top, or maybe 4 if you add these two together. So about 4 to 5 pushes to the top. We had a retest right here with the bearish candle. The market dropped. And also, the market did break, and now we look for that market to retest as we walk down the time frame for that market to push down. Hopefully, if not, then that market back on the other end. We're looking for the retest and for that market to push up, or we'll get that consolidation for that market until we see that M in that market that's going to push that market down, or if that market creates that W and pushes up for that retest. So let's head down to the daily time frame. So we're going to head over to price action. So price, after it pushed up from that, it came from that about quadruple top, just about. Market came to a retest, and then now we're in that consolidation. So we got to see if this market going to break this area, and then see what market price going to head from there. So we want price to break out this zone, to break retest, to work its way up, break retest, work its way down, or it'll just continue to consolidate sideways. Price action can do hammer, will look more like a doji / hammer. Weak candle, second last candle, and second last candle is a hammer, and third to last candle is a doji. So price is stuck in between this doji. So once you start seeing a body breaks and closes out, and you get a full body to the outside of that high up to that top side, that's going to be the break. That's how you get the break and retest, or the bottom of the break and retest, or the consolidation sideways. Headed down to the 4. Let's see what we identify. Okay, so the market went into an area of support at that zone that we created. So we can see that market respected the area of that support, and also is actually is a W in there, coming down in reds the first leg with the bearish candle, stopping at the doji is the second leg, coming back down in reds that third leg, and we can see market pushed up to that fourth. I feel like when we walk down the structure, we're gonna see some type of double bottom that's in that structure. We're gonna identify as we walk down. So market is at a strong structure. Also, third to last candle, fourth to last candle, long switch to the bottom. What does that mean? That means that when the market basically pushed down to that low, wasn't able to close out in a solid red body candle, but the body candle went back up, price closed out with a long wick down to the bottom on both tails of the candles, and the market pushed up. So we're going to identify that as we walk down. And we clearly see that market price is trying to break the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth the last candle of the market, which is this doji. Okay, so we're going to identify what's going on in that market. Also, we're going to take a SR line array and put it right on the top of that body. We're going to see what's going on in that area near price action as we walk down the time frame. So we're going to check and see if price of the SR line we created is at a nice level for that break and retest what price looks like, what price is looking like, and have an idea what it looked like. Also, we're going to look at support to see if support was really respected for that third to fourth leg, and did I identify a W in that market. Headed down to a 3. Now I still see that spike down with that market, so I identify what I see. We see that first leg, that second leg, that retest, third leg pushed down, market pushed up fourth. So we can clearly see price cannot break the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the last candle, which is the doji. So price having a hard time. So price doesn't break it, and so we probably look for a break and retest. If we don't see the break and retest, we'll probably see it on lower time frame. So we look for the break and retest. We look for that market to go up. If not, market's coming down. Headed down to the 2. 3, 2 is identifying the same thing. Extended candles. 3, 2, 1 identifying the same thing. 1 is extended. 1 is identifying multiple touches at that high near price with 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes to the top, maybe 5 with the 1, 2, 3, fifth the last candle. Headed down to 45 minutes. Now we got some type of retest on that SR line, and the market did push, but the market did not push above the third to last candle, showing an engulfment, as we can clearly see here. It's going to push that market up. We want to see a body close above the previous wicks, especially the red dojis, and the market can push up. If not, we're going to have issues. That's why we have that market consolidate as we see right now, side-by-side candles. The last price action candle, which is the inverted hammer, is a retest. So market basically respected first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market sitting right up on that midpoint near price. We're going to see that market's going to turn around and push up further. And we can clearly see the retest on the 5-minute time frame. Multiple pushes, triple bottom, maybe quadruple bottom with this area here. Here go to retest. Not a full retest. Market just stopped at the high. It did stop at the high with the side-by-side consolidation. So we're gonna see what's forming as we walk down the time frame. Headed down the 3-minute time frame, and we got side-by-side candles consolidation. Now we seeing something form. Now we seeing a whole bunch of what? Break and retest. Market spiked up, and we got a double top. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Now market look like it's turning to a W. First, second, third. We're gonna see if this market can respect it for that push up for that W. If not, it's gonna break, retest, and drop down. And if not, it's just consolidate continuously sideways. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Very important information, guys. Please study breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR GBP.